Hello, it's Charlotte, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to rename an image in a regular old image block on your Squarespace website. So whether you are using the image block on a web page, a blog post, in the additional info field on a product page, if it's in an event page, anywhere basically on your Squarespace website that you're using a regular single image block, then this is going to be for you. So if that sounds like something you want to learn, not only how to check the image or check the current file name of the image in the image block, or also rename the name of the image in the image block for better SEO, those two things, then we are going to be covering that in today's video. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I'm going to share my screen. Excellent. And to begin with, I wanted to let you know or remind you that I have a free Squarespace SEO checklist, and I'm going to leave a link for it down below so that you can grab a copy. And this Squarespace SEO checklist has been downloaded by like thousands and thousands and thousands of people. So if you grab a copy, you are in excellent company. And it's good for whether you are a complete beginner who's just starting out in Squarespace SEO and you have no idea where to begin and you want someone to just like lay it all out for you. Or maybe you've been at this a little while, but you want to make sure that you have not forgotten anything, you've like dotted your I's and crossed your T's, as we say, then this Squarespace SEO checklist will make sure you are taken care of no matter where you are with regards to Squarespace SEO. So again, grab a copy of that. The link is down below, and you can thank me later once you're working your way through it. So let's get into it. So remember, what we're talking about here today is renaming an image in a regular image block for better SEO. So in order to do that, there's kind of two parts. First of all, we want to see what is the image, the file name of the image that's currently in the image block. So when I'm talking about an image block, it's just like, you see here, if I hover over it, it just says image. And to get there, whether you are on 7.0 or 7.1, it's just like if you hit the content block options and it's just like one regular image, right? We're not talking about images in a gallery or anything. We're just talking about like a single basic image block, okay? And so let's say that you have an image here, okay? And you're like, what's the image file name? Is it optimized for SEO? I don't know. Then you can like double click it or something, and you'll see here kind of it's the preview of the image, and below in this field that says like, oh, that's what the image file name is, okay? And if you scroll down below, again, you'll see here it's file name optional, okay? Well, it should not be optional. It's like if you care about SEO, you should 100% be naming the image. So in this case, there's kind of two ways to rename this file for better SEO, okay? The first one is, it's lucky if we're just working with a single image block here, because we can come right down here to this bottom file name and literally rename it right here in Squarespace. So in this case, for example, remember my fake website business company, I would maybe name it something like, I don't know, the image like Coastal Construction Limited, like Central California coast renovation firm, I don't know, whatever. And then what is this image again? It's like a beach house. Let's pretend it's called like the Georgetown Beach House on Malibu Beach or whatever, right? So again, in this case, we use my like three-part image naming. So the first one is like the brand or business name. The second part of the image name is kind of like, what is your business? What do you do? What is the like service offering or something like that? You know, the product type, whatever it happens to be. And then the third part is like visually, what is Google seeing when they look at this image, right? And then once that's done, I can kind of just like click out of the image block and make sure that I'm saving it. Okay. And so that is the first way to rename the image. That's great. The other way that you can rename the image for the image block is, let's say you have the physical file on your computer. So in this case, here it is down here. I can, again, once more, I can come in here and rename it. So like, you know, Coastal, whoopsies, Coastal Construction Limited, whoops, Limited, Central California post home renovation firm. And then what was it? Like the Georgetown beach house on Malibu Beach or whatever, right? I think that's the same image name. And then in that case, what I would do is, again, open up the image here and then delete what I have there, and then just drag it. So I think it was this one. Drag it here and replace it. Okay. And once that happens, you'll notice that once the new image is in place, well, I mean, it's basically the old image, but the newly renamed file name. Now you can see it is there. And the same thing if I scroll down to the file name field, once again, it's there. So just click save once you've got that image, and then now you are set. So yeah, that is how you can rename an image in an image block. Two simple ways to do it, whether again, you rename the image file name directly in the image block field itself, or if you have like a bunch of them and you find it easier to just rename them all on your computer itself and then like replace and upload. Doesn't really matter. Either way, it will help you get done. But I hope this helped you to not only identify what the image file name is, and then see the two different ways to rename them. And it's quick, it's easy. It is going to be a great thing that you can do for SEO. So 100% I recommend it. And if you want to learn a bit more about how to rename other types of images on your Squarespace website, so whether it's like an image in a blog post, image on a product page, an image on a sales page or a services page or anything like that, just take a search on my YouTube channel for some of those other image videos, and I've got you covered on that. And don't forget that I also have a lot of other videos here that talk all about Squarespace SEO, obviously, but also web design and development, online marketing and business. And I have also a lot of resources on my website. So if any of that interests you, take a look. And happy watching, happy browsing, and I will see you again soon in the next video. Bye!